Hello coin engineers and welcome to the first video of our Bitget exchange tutorial. In this tutorial playlist, you will learn everything about Bitget from the scratch, from registering to spot and futures trading. And in the very first video of this tutorial, we will create our Bitget account and deposit money into it to start trading. Make sure to watch the entire video and playlist since there are lots of important information and years of experience which will make your experience a lot easier and make you start one step ahead of the others. Before we move on to our video, if you don't have a Bitget account yet, you can register through the link in the descriptions of this video to get a lifetime commission discount. Also, you can click on the second link in the descriptions to access our special playlist created for Bitget to learn more about trading and pre-sales on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and check our other social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. If you're ready, let's start. Let's start our video from the first step. If you don't have a Bitget account yet, after clicking on the privileged link, you will see this page. And in this page, all you have to do is writing down your email address and choosing yourself a password to create your Bitget account. Also, don't forget to select your country of residence correctly. Also, you can create your account with Google or Apple IDs. The choice is completely yours. When you are done choosing how to register, click on the sign up button to complete your process and log into your account from the button at the top right corner of your screen. And now you must complete your KYC, which is Know Your Customer. It's a must in many global exchanges since these exchanges are responsible for the people who use their platform. To complete your KYC, move your cursor to the human icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on the ID verification button. As you can see, my account is verified, so there is a blue verified text appears just right side of the header. If yours is not, you will see what to do and which documents that you must upload to complete the process. You must upload your ID or passport and scan your face with your webcam. It will be completed in a really short time after you successfully upload everything. After the ID verification part, click on the Security Settings button at the left side of your screen to secure your account at the maximum level. Make sure to turn on phone number and email verifications to increase your security. With those verifications turned on, you will get a code whenever you try to log in or send money from your account to somewhere else. And you will be the only person who gets those codes, so unless both your email and phone gets hacked, stealing assets from your account will be totally impossible. I strongly advise you turning on the Google Authenticator too, since it's a perfect tool to increase the security of your account. It creates random codes each time you try to enter to your account. With both phone number, email, and Google Authenticator on, you triple the safety of your account. And also you can turn on the anti-phishing code. This is a code that is written on every email and message from Bitget. This way, you will be able to easily identify the original messages from Bitget and will not fall for the fake ones. And the security part is over. Time has come for the best part of this video. Now, let's learn how to deposit money to our Bitget account and which ways can we use while doing that. To be able to trade on Bitget platform, we have to deposit money. And to deposit money into your Bitget account, you can use three different ways. First of them is depositing any cryptocurrency which is listed on Bitget exchange. To do that, you can both use the Buy Crypto tab or from the Assets tab, you can click on the Deposit button. Both ways will lead you to the same page. And from that page, you can search any crypto that you want to send here from any other crypto exchange or Web3 wallets like MetaMask or Phantom. Let's make an example and let's say I want to deposit USDT, which is a stablecoin pegged to United States dollar. 1 USDT equals to 1 US dollar. To deposit it, I will click on the little icon which is at the right side of the BTC text, and after clicking on it, I will click on USDT. If you want to deposit any other cryptocurrency, You can both scroll down here or write the name of the cryptocurrency into the search bar. Let's say you want to deposit USDC, which is a stablecoin too. Write here USDC and you can see you will be able to find it that easy. Also, you can use these little boxes if you want to deposit BTC, USDT, ETH or XRP. Let's continue with our USDT example now. We need to choose the blockchain which we want to deposit our assets with. I will choose TRC20 because it's the cheapest and fastest among the other options. You can scroll down this page to see the other options. If you have USDT in these blockchains, you can choose one of these two. After selecting the chain, you will be able to see your wallet address. Copy this address by clicking on this little icon and paste it to the platform where you will send your USDTs from. Make sure that you chose the same chain to deposit. If you choose different chains while sending, your assets will be lost. Now let's look at the second option, which is peer-to-peer trading with the short name P2P trading. Click on the peer-to-peer trading button from the Buy Crypto tab to make peer-to-peer transactions. Peer-to-peer means OTC, over-the-counter transactions of an asset between two people at a decided price. You can see what they are selling, at which price they are selling, and their payment methods. You can see both buyers and sellers if you want to make a P2P transaction. You just have to click on these buttons to complete the transaction. You can also use the Express menu by clicking on this button to make your peer-to-peer trading in this interface. You just have to write here how much USD that you want to pay to buy USDT or any other cryptocurrency that you can see in this menu. Let's make an example. If I want to pay 100 USD to buy USDT, here is how much I will get and here is the reference price that I'm going to pay for each USDT. Don't forget that this is a reference price and that can change while I'm doing the payment steps. All you have to do is clicking on the next button to complete your payment. Also, you can sell your USDT to get USD or any other currency. To do that, you must use the sell section. But don't forget, if you want to be a seller, you have to apply to Bitget first. To do that, click on this button and complete your process. Now it's time for the third and the last option, which is the third-party payments. From this page, you can buy these cryptocurrencies directly with your credit or debit card. Let's make an example. I want to buy 100 USD worth of USDT. I'll write here 100 and then I will choose the service provider. At the right side, you can see how much USDT you will get for your USD. When you click on the next button, you will have to agree the terms of use and click on the confirm button. Then the third-party payment system's website will be open and you can complete the payment from there as you are making an online shopping. And these were the all three ways that you can deposit money to your Bitget account. Now let's learn more. To reach your wallet, move your cursor to the Assets tab and click on the Assets button again. From there, you can see your assets deposited or bought in just one page. At the top side, you can see there are different trading accounts such as spot, peer-to-peer and futures. We will mention about them in the coming chapter of this tutorial playlist. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the link in the descriptions to not miss out. When we look at the cryptos, you can see the small blue colored transfer, deposit and withdraw texts. With the transfer, you can transfer your cryptos between different trading accounts as we mentioned earlier. And as you can see, when I clicked on the transfer button at the same row with ETH, I can move my ETHs at my spot account from my futures account. I can change those accounts by clicking on this arrow icons and I can write here the quantity of how much I want to transfer. Then I must click on the confirm button to finish the transfer. And from the deposit, you can directly go to the deposit page of that crypto. When you click on the withdraw, as you can see, you can withdraw that crypto to any other exchange or to your Web3 wallet like MetaMask with choosing the correct blockchain, pasting the receiving address here and writing the amount to that section. And if you want to send your crypto to another Bitget user, don't use this withdraw section because you will pay additional fees. Instead, click on this internal funds transfer button, then select the type of account get the other user's email, phone number, or user ID and paste them here. Then select the amount, that how much crypto that you want to send, then click on the submit button. And this is the end of this video. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get every content that we share. See you in the next chapter where we will discuss how to trade on Bitget and the order types.